Hey guys, what's up? My name is Gaurav. Welcome back to Taurus Tech. And in this video, we're going to be talking about what will happen if you do not accept the terms and conditions that recently WhatsApp has given out as the privacy policy. So their terms and conditions have changed, and WhatsApp a few weeks ago gave a little more clarity about what will happen if you do not accept the terms and conditions. So in this update, they have clearly mentioned that your account will not be deleted and you will not lose your account data as well. But in the frequently asked questions of this update, they have actually mentioned what will happen in detail if you do not accept the terms and conditions. In this video, we're going to be discussing what these detailed terms and conditions are, and I'm going to be helping you with explaining them and if you should use WhatsApp or not. So without any further ado, let's get directly into the video. Firstly, what will happen on May 15th? On May 15th, this is the day that WhatsApp has given to accept the terms and conditions. But if you do not choose to accept the terms and conditions, what will happen on May 15th is that nothing will happen. You will not lose your data. You will not use your account, or there will be no deletion in your account on May 15th. But what will happen after May 15th? After May 15th, you will get reminders of accepting the terms and conditions. Similarly, as in when you snooze your alarm, it will give you 5 minutes or 10 minutes. Similarly, what will happen is that your reminder to accept the terms and conditions will keep coming for every 2 or 3 days. This will happen for 1 or 2 weeks, and after 1 or 2 weeks, it will become consistent. It will keep asking you every single day, or every 6 hours, or every 4 hours. So at that time, what will happen is that you will lose some functionalities of WhatsApp, like you will not see what chats are on display. Like now, if you open WhatsApp, you will see chats, and then you will see calls and status. Similarly, at that time, you will not see any chats on the screen. But if you do have the notifications enabled, you can see them. When you pull out the notifications, you can see your messages. You will have option to accept the calls, like phone calls, normal calls, and video calls from WhatsApp, but you will not have an option to send the message or receive the messages on WhatsApp. You can receive them on notifications, but you will not receive them on your WhatsApp. But what will happen if you never choose to accept the terms and conditions of WhatsApp? So what will actually happen is that they will, after few weeks of allowing you to take calls, like video calls and normal calls, without allowing you to send the messages, then after few weeks, after 4 or 5 weeks, the limited functionality will also be revoked. You will not be getting an option to take calls or make calls. You will not be given an option to send messages, and at this time you will not even receive the notifications of WhatsApp messages. So what will happen is that simply WhatsApp will not delete your account, WhatsApp will not lose your data or account, but it will make it so useless that you will have no other option than accept the terms and conditions if you want to use WhatsApp. So yeah, if you do want to use WhatsApp, you will have to accept the terms and conditions. But if you do not choose to accept the terms and conditions of WhatsApp, you always have Telegram and Signal, and a lot of people have moved up to Telegram. So this is what will happen if you do not choose to accept the terms and conditions before May 15th. And I would recommend you to not accept, because we already have moved out to Telegram, have moved out to Signal. So yeah, this is all for today's video. If you did like it, please do not forget to leave a thumbs up, share it with your friends so that they get to know what the new terms and conditions are and if they should accept or not. And if you're new on this channel, please make sure you subscribe, hit the bell icon so you get notifications whenever I post a video. Thank you for watching. I will see you guys in the next video.